Hi guys, welcome to Math Day 12. So the first thing you'll need is your hundreds chart. So make sure you get that out. I know you know what that looks like now. We've done this for 12 days, so make sure you have that out. Okay, so let's start by counting by tens. Here we go. Make sure you're following along with your finger. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. One more time, let's do this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, now let's count by five. So I'm going to go back and forth from the left to the right, from the left to the right. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Let's do it one more time. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right, go ahead and put your hundreds chart away. Okay, so let's think about our target for today. Let me close this window so you can see it better. Okay, I can compose and decompose numbers to 10 into 2 or more parts. So for today, you'll need your journal so we can do 2 or more parts when we decompose, okay? Because that is our hardest thing to think about is when we decompose numbers, okay? We're going to do it in 4 parts, so oh my goodness. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to compose numbers to 10. So remember, when we compose, we put numbers together, okay? When we compose, numbers go together, okay? So our first number is 2. Actually, let me find this real quick. Whoops. Sorry, I didn't have my sticky notes right in front of me. Okay, so our first number is 2, 4, and 3. So my numbers that I want to compose together are 2, 4, and 3. So I'm going to use 2 of my purple. I don't know if you can see that very well. 2 of my purple for the number 2. I'm going to use 3 of my bright pink sticky notes for 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I'm going to use 3 of my light pink. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but my light pink for the number 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so let's count how many we have all together when we compose the number 2, 4, and 3. So let's count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So when I compose the number 9, when I compose 2, 4, and 3, so 2 plus 4 plus 3, I get the number 9, okay? So we are done thinking about composing. Now it's time we're going to think about decomposing. So we're going to think about decomposing the number 9. So this is when you need your journal or you need a blank piece of paper where you can write, okay? So I'm going to do this up here so I can erase. Let me push this down so you can see it better. All right. I'm going to erase this, erase our target. Okie dokie. So the first thing you're going to do on your blank sheet of paper, don't draw it super, super big, but, also make sure you have your counters. Where's Miss Squeezy's counters? Oh my goodness gracious. So yeah, Make sure you have your counters with you, okay? You will need 9 counters. I know you have 9 counters. And you'll need to choose a color, yellow or red. I'm going to choose red, okay? But the first thing you're going to do not do it super, super big because we're adding. So we're going to do 2 circles to decompose first. So draw 2 circles. Now I'm going to do it nice and big so you can see. 1, 2. Oh, it looks like my circle has some hair. Okay, so I'm going to count out my 9 counters. We're thinking about the number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Move this stuff down. 9. Okay, so this is what your page should look like. You should have 2 circles, not too big, not too small though, okay? All right. What we're going to do now is we're going to decompose the number 9. So we're going to take it into 2 parts. I have 2 parts for my 9. Okay, so I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in one part, and then I'm going to put 4 in the other. Okay? You can do this a lot of different ways. I could have put, let's see, 7 in one part and 2 in the other. Or I could have put 8 in one part and 1 in the other. I could have done it a lot of different ways. 6 and 3, okay? All right, what you're going to do, take out all of your counters. It takes a bit for me. I can't just swoop them away. And then what you're going to do, and I'm going to erase, do not erase, I'm going to add 1 more circle. So I'm going to have 3 circles. All you need to do is draw another circle. 1, 2, 3. So now I'm going to decompose. I'm going to decompose my number 9 into 3 parts. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put 2 in this part and then 3 in this part. So I have 4 plus 2 plus 3 equals what number? 9. We are only thinking about the number 9 right now. So our answer is always going to be 9, okay? All right, so let's add another circle. All right, here we go. I'm going to take out all my counters. I know this takes a bit for Miss Baby. And I'm going to erase my circles because I have a whiteboard. All you are going to do is add another circle. All right. So I'm going to draw 4 circles now. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so now I'm going to decompose the number 9 into 4 parts. 1, 2. And then I'm going to put 3 in here and then 1 in there. So I have decomposed my number 9 into 4 parts. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. So I have 2 in one circle, 3 in this circle, 3 in this circle, and 1 in this circle. I know if I compose the number 2, the number 3, the number 3, and the number 1, what number would I get? The number 9. Okay, awesome. One more time. We're going to add 1 more circle. All right, here we go. So you should be drawing 1 more circle. This is fun. All right, so I'm going to have 5 circles. Y'all recognize this eraser? I'm going to have 5 circles. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 circles, okay? Now I'm going to decompose the number 9 into 5 parts. Our last time, 5 parts. So here we go. I'm going to do 1 in here, 2 in here, 2 in here, 1 in here, and 3 in here. Oh my goodness. 5 parts. I put my number 9 in 5 parts. So I have 1 here, 2, and 1, and 2, and 3. So that must mean that 1 plus 2 more, plus 1 more, plus 2 more plus 3 more equals what? 9, okay? So if you want, you can keep going, make 6 parts, 7 parts, 8 parts, and the biggest you can go is 9 parts. You put 1 in each of the parts. So if you need to watch this video again, I know I might have gone a little bit too fast, so you can pause me, okay? I'm sorry if I went too fast. Let's go on and go to reading next, okay? Bye, guys.